everyone, it's Tim here from Tutorials Hub. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build backlinks with SemRush link building tool. Now obviously before we get started, you will need an SemRush account. You can get a free account with our link down below. You can try SemRush for a couple of days to follow along with this tutorial. So basically, as you know, backlinks are really important when it comes to the Google search rankings, and it's something that you should be able or that you should focus on as a blog writer, especially if you want to rank your blog on the top pages of Google. Now, as you can see here, we have link building tool on SemRush, and it's a really easy to use tool. It's also something that you can use to find really good backlinks for your website. So let's click on this here. And as you can see here, what you want to do is you want to enter your own domain. So we have here already our own domain right here. So we can just click on that domain. And obviously you want to just click on the green button just to go and to, start the process. Now here, what you want to do is you want to add keywords that you want to rank for on your website. Now, I don't want to rank for these keywords. I want to rank for something more specific. So for example, ChatGPT, AI automation, AI white label, or AI apps, something like that, right? I can add this right here and I can add it to the list. Obviously, the more keywords you add, the more you can get backlinks out of those keywords. So I'll show you how this works. So click add here. Now, once you add this right here, we can go here and click keywords. And as you can see here, we can also add our own competitors. Now, obviously, we don't really have competitors right here. So what I'm just going to be doing here is I'm going to go here and find some of our competitors. So for example, AI automation blog. I can go here and I can scroll through some of these blogs right here, and I can basically add them as our competitors. So obviously we'll just add them right here. We'll add this one as well. Obviously, the more specific you are, this is me just rushing to show you and prove you the point of this tutorial. However, you can just go here and start link building. So click start link building. After you start link building here, you will basically need to wait a couple of seconds, right? Now, once we do that, right, it will collect and analyze the data. Obviously, we'll just pause the video here until that is done. So as you can see, once this is done, you will get this message. So just click view prospects here. And as you can see, you will get a bunch of prospects that you can backlink to. Now, as you can see, these are just like suggested backlinks based on the competitors and based on the keywords that we inputted in SemRush. Now, basically, obviously, this is just like a list of competitors, not competitors, but backlinks. So your next step would be to reach out to those and see how you can go and how you can basically backlink and how they can backlink you to their blog, because this will, in the end, be the detrimental point of you getting those backlinks and actually ranking for some of those keywords. Now, obviously, you can here delete the backlinks or move prospects to your rejected list if you don't like them or if you think they are a big, like for example, medium.com is really big, so I'll just go and I'll just delete that. But as you can see here, I can add to the progress. I can also select an outreach strategy that I want, so I can also customize it, organize this however I want. Now, you can also select here an option, poor quality domain, not relevant. If you want, you can just click on those, and you can just click here and say, okay, it's not relevant, it takes too much effort. You just click send, and then they will give you, or SemRush will give you more other backlinks that you can use. So this is pretty much the way how you can build backlinks with SemRush link building tool. It's really awesome. However, there is still some manual work that you need to do on yourself, on your behalf, because you will need to reach out to those and see if you can connect with them, and if they can connect your page to their page, and if you can connect their page to your page. So that's pretty much what it is, right? Here you can see all the prospects and keywords and competitors. So we got almost like 1,000 to almost 1,200 keywords or prospects or backlinks, potential backlinks that we can use. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can build backlinks with SemRush link building tool. Now, obviously, if you want to try, SemRush, definitely check out the link down below. It's a free trial, and you would be able to do all of these for free. Usually, these are the paid features. However, it's a really awesome tool. I would suggest you to use it if you are in the blogging scene, SEO scene, YouTube even. It's great for YouTube videos as well. So yeah, for more videos, obviously you can check out our channel, and yeah, we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.